Welcome to Kannimar T-shirts. We are T-shirts manufactured based in Tirupur. In this video, we are present our premium quality product 230 GSM Biowash oversized T-shirts. We offer 10 different unique colors, also 7 sizes. Let me tell you, it is premium quality product. We use red label yarn fabric only.
Olive green, white, coal blue, steel grey, rosewood, navy blue, black, darkest brown, maroon.
Our own facility handles the cutting, stitching, ironing and baking, all work. No fading, no color loss. We fully guaranteed this product. You have any doubt, you can buy a sample and take it a testing for lab. We offer T-shirts in 50 colors, but we always have 10 colors stock. For other colors, we require minimum order of 100 pieces per color through custom orders. In starting size is priced 150 rupees. In each size 10 rupees extra. If you want to buy this product or want to know other details about it, contact us. Our contact number already displayed in your screen. Get your product delivered anywhere in India. Just choose your nearest transport options.
My managers more than 40 other items, so keep checking our post to know about them. Welcome to Kannimar Business.